Mic test, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to class today, online friends. We have Ashraf who's online, we have Ilhan, and we have Ansar as well. Welcome to the session, everybody. Can you all on the webcam, please? Guys, give you 5 seconds on the webcam. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ashraf, welcome to class again. Nice to see you again. How's your brother? Which school is he going in?
Greendale.
Sorry?
Greendale.
Greendale. Okay, nice. Somewhere near Punggol, right? Greendale is in Punggol, around there. Okay, please say hi to him for me on my behalf and send my regards to him as well. It's been a while since I saw him, Mr. Zikri. Okay, hope he's doing well. Adil Anik as well, welcome to class. And those physically present in front of me, a very good day to you all. Mr. Zikri, nice to see you, man. How are you? Okay, not Greendale, happy to go to school.
Okay, lah.
Nice to know lah. Hope you enjoy the nice school vibes in Greendale. Okay, and that you do well there for your math. I'm sure you can do way well in Greendale. Okay, for your sec one. All the best to you. Adil Anik, welcome to class as well. Anik, how are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Good day, how are you? Hope you're doing well. And Ilhan also, Ilhan is on the webcam. And those in class, today, what are we doing? Any idea?
Lecture first.
Huh?
Lecture first.
Lecture first. I need to lecture you guys first. Then we do the test. Okay, why do I say I need to lecture you all? Any idea? Why? Why do I say I have to lecture you guys lah? You know why? This test was very horribly done. Extremely horribly done for those who did the test. Ashraf, I think you're first class for P6. But most of you not first class. Sharifah, welcome. They haven't seen in front now. Most of y'all not your first lesson with us. Okay, and you guys did a test last week, and I had to mark this. So I already marked for those who did. I already gave you all feedback. I made sure I took a video for all of you. Okay, like a recording lah, basically. Okay, if you're online and you had a video and all. Friends, disappointing. Okay, I was a little bit taken aback because most of this we have done before somewhere. And some of you will say, hey, coach, some of this is P6, yes. So how about the P5 content? There's a lot of P5 content here. And still, I see a lot of mistakes. Guys, this is not the time to play anymore. You gotta be serious already. Okay, because P6 is the year where you guys will take what exams?
Yes.
Yes, it's a very big chance for you, you know. Very big chance. After PSLE, you do well, you can go to a school, a good school. All right, nowadays, students, they want to go to this posting called G what? Any idea? The G3 posting, okay, which is the, my time, they didn't call it G3 lah. They call it, any idea?
Express.
Yeah, they call it express stream, okay? So but now they call it the G3 stream. All right, so friends, like make use of the opportunity lah. And coming for tuition is not enough. Do you realize that? Once a week, I only see you how many minutes? 90 minutes. You factor in the break and all, maybe 80 minutes only every week. All right, you need to work a little bit harder on yourself. Can or not? When I was looking at your steps, right, some of you really got to improve. Like seriously. Worrisome because you're not practicing enough. You have to practice. And I repeat, coming for classes, it's okay, I'm going to help you all to the best of my ability. I'm going to help push you all. Hamza, good day. I'm going to help you guys. I'm going to try my best. But are you helping yourself? Because that's the most important thing. For you to help what? Yourself. Afif, welcome. And if you're not doing that, it's going to be hard, okay? Seriously. All right? So today we try our best to learn from our corrections. Don't be too disappointed if you fail. This test is out of how many marks? Any idea? Yeah, out of 25 marks. So I will take it that you fail if you got 12 and below. If you got what? 12 and below. You got 13, I will take you as a what? You pass. 12 and below, 12, 11, 10, all this is what? Fail. 9. Okay, all this fail. There's a student who got these marks. Actually, 2 out of? Maybe he thought this was a AL2. No, this is a single digit mark. Friends, if you got a low mark also, please take it positively. Is this PSLE, this paper? It's not lah. It's not lah. Okay, it's a tuition test. And I know some of you had a challenge of the holidays, like you're overseas, you have no idea what's happening, you know. Welcome, Omar. No space here. Okay. Wait, so well, what are we talking about, guys? Sorry, what are we talking about, that's all?
Yes.
About what? I can't remember. Holiday, yes. Some of you are going in and out of holidays, like the content wasn't there for you, like you got no time to revise also. Okay. So it's okay, but please from here on, I don't want you all to do as badly as this anymore for the next test. Cannot. For the next test, there will be a next test. You know, when's the next test? End of February or early March, around there. Adelia, how are you? Move the things inside, you can sit there behind. Okay? Learn from your mistakes. Don't ever repeat them anymore. Okay, go back home. I want you guys to go and try the test again. To do what again? Try again. This test is 40 minutes, as you can see there. I'm serious about the retry. You have to retry. Go back home, cover the answers, and what? Do it. Today we're gonna do corrections. And even after retrying, if you fail again, my gosh, I'm just going through the answers with you all. And still you will fail. Oh my goodness. Please, guys, be serious when I go through the corrections. All right, and try your best to understand everything. Is that okay? Any questions, just raise your hand. Now, if you fail, what I will do usually, I will not put your marks in front. If you what? You fail, I will put your marks where? Behind. Okay, so if you don't see a mark in front, what does that mean? Unfortunately. Okay, so it's okay. Learn from your mistakes, and the highest score for this class, usually we will say highest score only. I won't say lowest score, don't worry. Okay, highest score. Please give a round of applause for Muhammad Adam, 18 out of 25, guys. Come. Okay, friends at home, take out your test paper like this, or if you don't have, take out a full scan. Good job. Okay, take out a full scan. We're going to do corrections right now. Okay, look at these first two questions first. Sharifa, no need to share. The first thing I know what you all do, see your friends' results. Don't do that lah. See your own result first. Okay, see that first. Thumbs up. No need to compare at all. There you go. Anas D. Afif. Aris. Don't compare. I thought Aris move forward already. You didn't take the test, right? Yeah, I give you a blank money. Ananaila? Welcome. Okay, those at home, let's begin. Everybody. Who doesn't have a? I'll take one away. You have. Compare, don't compare. Why compare anything? Okay, compare. Guys, seriously, you. How many of you got a good schooling from your parents? Oh my gosh. How many of your parents didn't scold you at all? Oh. Samila never take the test, of course. Oh, you did ah? Okay. I see, okay.
Because
Online, right?
did have some classes.
Yeah lah, that's right.
So if my mom was going to school, then I'm going to be like, you the one that brought me to makan.
Okay. Okay, I understand. Guys, let's begin. Those who don't have notes, just listen first. Later, I'll give it to you all, okay? I want complete attention and full focus by everyone. Everyone, you're gonna write the steps. Okay, take a green pen right now. Even though you got correct, you go and write the steps. Printing for you. Okay? You want some? You can go there and go to the admin room and take. Sorry? No, it's okay. You can look, you can share with Afif also and discuss, right? But don't compare marks all lah. Okay. Guys, green pen. Everybody you're supposed to copy, correct or wrong, you copy still. Or pencil also can. Don't have green pen, pencil also can. Or pen. Okay? 7x over 5. What does that mean in algebra? 7x. 7 times x divided by 5. Write this down here. Omar. Yeah, thanks. Ifa. 7x over 5. Okay, is the same as 7 times x over 5. 7 times x over 5. Which is the same as having 7x divided by 5. Is the same thing. Understand or not? Is it 7x times 5? Cancel this off. Cancel this off. Today, the whole day will be about corrections, nothing else. And please listen as I'm going through. Is 7x divided by 5 the same as 5x divided by 7? No lah, it's opposite, right? Out. Are you guys okay? Seven x times 1 over 5 also can. Okay, which one do you think is the answer? Is it 3 or 4? Very good. Cannot be 4 because 4 got x and x. There's only one x, what? There's only what? There's only one x. So this is out. Cancel. Friends, I was also shocked. MCQ, you all never write any steps. 90% of you guys, MCQ, no steps. Yes, Ashraf, you raise your hand. Any questions?
What does X mean?
Okay, what does X mean? X is an algebra term and it can represent any value. Any what? Value. Okay, so you don't have to know the value. You just have to know that X is like a value. It can be 1, it can be 5, it can be 100. Or you can take X as a unit. As a what? Unit. So this 7 units divided by what? Guys, 7 units divided by 5. So instead of putting U, they put what? They put X. Okay? Again, friends, 90% of you never write what? Working. MCQ, you must write working also. Then you can get good marks. Okay? In all honesty, will the teacher check your working for MCQ? No lah, they won't. But it's for you. It's for who? It's for you. So that you can write your steps nicely, you can get the marks. Anyways, the answer for this, you can write it this way as well. It's the same thing. Answer is option 3. We move on, come. Be serious. Each question, write your steps. Mr. Ashraf, come. Make sure you have a foolscap with you, Ashraf. Now, which angle, what? Cannot be found. Guys, if you have parallel lines, if you have what? Parallel lines like this, can you share with me how are these two angles linked to each other? Both add up to 180. Guys, it only works if the angles are on the opposite sides of the parallel lines. Understand? It cannot be on the same side like that. Then you say, oh, coach, these two add up to what? No, that's not. This one plus this one, yes. Add up to what? 180. Why? Because they are on different parallel lines. They are on what? Different. One is here, one parallel line. Another one is here, another parallel line. Then you can say these two add up to what? 180. Just like the purple one. Purple one also add up to what? And why? Because this angle is one parallel line. This one is another parallel line. Are you all okay? This one plus this one will be 180 degrees. Friends at home, are you all okay? Now, can you find B technically? From whatever I just said just now? Can. 180 minus? Okay, let's write that down the steps. Here come, all of you write down. Come on, let's go. Friends, again, don't be too disappointed. Learn from your mistakes, bounce back stronger. Go back home, go and retry, and you can get full marks again. Can? You can get full marks. Mr. Adam, all okay? All right, now, how to find angle B? 180 minus what? Come on. Friends, I'm expecting focus. Don't daydream all here. Come on. 143, which is equals to 37. Next one. How to find angle C? Same thing lah.
180 minus 90.
Vignesh and Anik, thank you very much. Which is what?
90.
Yes. Yes. Getting it, guys. You all okay with this? Why like that? Because one angle is one on one parallel side, another one another parallel side. It's like that. Is that okay, friends? Mr. Afif, okay? Huh? Try your best, Afif. You can do this. Okay, you all can do this. Don't worry. Ilhan, okay, no problem. Mr. Ashraf, you copying this down somewhere? Ashraf? Write this down somewhere. How to find D, man? Oh my gosh. How to find D? Yes, Adelia. Okay, hang on. What she just did, she used the what triangle there? Starts with I. Yes, she used it. She said, Coach, 180 minus 110 and then divide by 2. 180 minus 110 is 70. 70 divided by 2 is what? Come on, mental sums. 35. Are you all okay? So she got how many degrees here and here? Come on, friends. The more focused you are, the more you will enjoy the lesson. What is that? 35. 35. So it's what? 35. Now, can you see a what here? Sorry? A zangle. Yes, that's the right word there. A zangle, a Z. If this is 35, guys, what is D then? Also?
35.
Also 35 because you see a Z there. Are you all okay? 35. Mr. Ashraf, you're able to understand this? Ashraf, okay, can. Angle D is actually 35 degrees. Are you guys okay? Now, another way to find that one, right, is if this is 110, what do you think this is? Also? 110. And again, you can use this isosceles. You will still get what for D? Same lah, 35 also lah. You okay? So technically, can you find A? Can you find B, C, and D? Can you find? Can you find A? Cannot. Because A is on the same parallel sides. I told you. If it's on the same one, you cannot do anything to it. Understand? Not? Only if A is here, then could you have found A? If A is there, could you have found it? Yes. Then you can take 180 minus. Because why? The two angles are on the different parallel sides. The different parallel lines. One is for this parallel line. Another one is for this one. Okay, then you can find. So the answer for this 1, 2, 3 or 4, guys? Come on, friends. Relax. Try your best. Yes. What is this? 1. Guys at home, are you all okay so far? Mr. Anik, you okay?
Yeah.
Try your best. Yes. Ilhan. Ilhan, anything you can say, no problem. You can on the webcam, that'd be great. Guys, read the question first, come. What is the least number of cubes needed to form a what? How many of you, be honest with me, you actually attended my lesson when I taught you this? Few of you, yes. Well, even if you didn't attend, you could have watched the what? Yes. Okay, now. Anyways, how many cubes are there lining up here at the bottom? Tell me, please.
5.
4 or 5, eh? 5. 5, right? Am I right or not?
Yeah.
That's 5 what? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about this side here?
2.
2. Right? There is 1 here, there's another 1 there. Can you see the 2 blocks, guys? Okay, hang on. Hang on. Finish. First. What about the height? How many cubes are lining up now?
3.
What is the level?
3.
Levels. Guys, if you are trying to form a what?
Cuboid.
It will be. Is this a cuboid at the moment? At the
No.
moment, it's a cuboid.
No.
It's not. Okay, it's a strange cuboid. Okay, but it's not a cuboid. How to form a cuboid? You have to add more what?
5 times 2 times 3.
You have to add more cubes, right? So that you get a 5 by 2 by 3.
3.
So that, okay, I'll try to draw for you guys so that you can see. Yeah? Can you see this? I'm trying to form this cuboid where there's literally 5 here, there's 2 here, and there's what here? 3 here. So in total, how many cubes do you need? 30. In total, how many cubes do you need in total? I'm not saying additionally, I'm saying in total. 5 times 2 times 3. What is that? Let's write it down. 5 by 2 by 3. What would that be?
13.
You need 30 cubes.
Eh, eh,
You need what?
13.
30. Guys, then it's not the end. You already have some cubes there already. 30 minus how many cubes are there? Go by levels.
11.
Yes. How to go by levels? The easiest one is the top level. Lah. How many cubes are there at the top level?
1.
Below it, how many cubes? 3. Below that, there's another 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you guys okay? 1 plus 3 plus 7, what would that be? 11. 1 plus 3 plus this number is 11. One more step, you solve the question. Guys,
30 minus 11.
remember this.
30 minus 11.
Which is? Superb. This is superb from you guys. Is it that difficult, all of these questions? No. And please don't play guessing game. I know it's MCQ, you can just hantam and just put number 2 lah. Sorry, number 2 or whatever lah. Hantam lah. Don't hantam, please. Cannot hantam. You must put your steps. How some of you just do without steps? I don't know, how you do. I really have no idea. Next one. This one also, you just hantam, just put lah, number 4 lah. Don't know how you get that. But eventually it's correct last year. Okay, now, what is the meaning of consecutive?
One difference. The difference between two numbers is 1.
The difference between two numbers will be? Okay, very good. So the way I remember this, right? Consecutive means continuous. Means what? Consecutive means continuous. 1 followed by 2. 4 followed by 6 followed by? Asha, why you give me a cross? Okay. Now, again, the difference between continuous number is always what? It's always
1.
It's always 1. Now, you will have the small number and you will have a big number. Now, the small number, we have one box here. What is that? Sorry. One box. Okay, and then the big number, you will have the box plus another what? Smaller one. What number is this inside? 1. Never write steps. Go and write your steps, everybody. Every one of you have the habit of writing steps. Okay, Ilhan, I encourage you to log out, log in again. Ansar, is it okay for you? Is it laggy or is it okay? The connection for you all. Is it okay? Can see? Ansar? Can?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Anik, okay, Anik? Ashraf?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys okay? What is the sum of these two numbers is given to you there? 9y. Write that down somewhere. Write down somewhere. Come on, guys. What is the question asking? Find the what number? The smaller number. Go and put a question mark here. How to find the smaller number? 9y? Take away. Come on, friends. I want to participate. Be serious. 9y minus 1 and then divide by 2. Is that okay? So you must do 9y minus 1 and then divide by 2. Final answer. Mr. Ashraf, able to follow the lesson so far? Wait, what happened? Any questions? Ashraf? Can you speak a little bit louder, please?
I still don't understand. Here, the microphone is here.
Okay, which part? Let me know, please. Rest of you okay? Okay, which part, Ashraf?
Three minus 1 4.
Why minus 1, is it? Okay, guys, the reason why we minus 1 is because we are trying to focus on this box, correct or not? Or this box also same lah. Hey, these two boxes are exactly what? Exactly the same lah. If this is 1 unit, this one also what? So how many units is this in total?
2.
What is the value of 2 units? What is the
8.
value? 9y minus?
4.
Correct or not? You must take. Why, Ani? What happened? Tired lah.
No, I just yawned.
Okay. But you said 1 just before you yawn. So, whoa. 9y minus 1 first. You get 2 units. How do you get 1 unit, my friends?
8 divided by 2.
9y. Why 8? I know where. 9y minus 1 is not 8.
Oh.
Because they are different families. Remember, this is the y family and this is a number only. Can you combine? Can you combine them and say, oh, coach, answer is 8y? Cannot. Can you combine 5p plus 1? Can you say it's 6p? Cannot, because these are different what? Families. Different families, you leave it separately. Is that okay? Answer for this question is 4. Move on. Are you all okay? Anas Raika, you okay? Try me. Adilia, all okay there or not? Okay, cool. Now, you all know what's first come, first serve? The length of cube A is 1/3 of B. What does that mean? First come, first serve. 1 belongs to who? And 3 belongs to who?
B.
Put your arrows first, come. Put your arrows. Okay, put your arrows. A is 1 unit in length and B is 3 units in length. Write this down. Are you guys okay? Meaning, right, for A, we can put it as 1 and B, we put it as 3. Are they interested in the length or they are interested in the volume? Okay, write down the volume now. How do I find the volume of A then? 1 times 1 times 1. What's 1 times 1 times 1? One student I marked, he go and say 1 times 1 times 1. Coach, answer is 3.
Huh?
How did he get 3, man? I think he rotated this thing lah. He rotate this way, zzz, become plus. This one also rotate, zzz, become plus. What's 1 times 1 times 1?
1.
This is 1. Next one, what is 3 times 3 times 3?
7.
27. Answer is 1 over 27. Answer is option 4. Is it okay? Easy, you know, this question. Very straightforward. Okay, can be done. So again, look at the first come, first what? Ashraf, this question, are you able to understand better? Done here? Okay. Are you guys clear on this so far? Can I move on to the next question? This one also I got shocked. There's a few of you who said, Coach, answer is 50 degrees for this. Literally, I went, you know,
Is it bigger?
what do you, what?
Is it bigger than 90 degrees?
Yeah, that's why. Okay, now, how can it be 50? I think it's like, Coach, isn't that bigger than 90? How can it be 50 or Someone at 57. Somebody even worse. I asked him to measure this. You go and draw here. You go and measure this instead.
What?
So simple, guys. It's just take a protractor, put it here, and measure. Let me see whether I have one protractor to show you guys now. Sound effect. Ashraf, webcam Ashraf. Okay, next time I'll share with you about this. Yeah, I'll share with you about this dude. Okay. Next time I'll share with you. So not now. Today we'll focus on our correction. Shh. Say them. Trying to show you a protractor lah. That's why. Guys, 1 to what? 0 to what is that?
Is the story about Austin?
Yes. How you know, Elhan? You saw somewhere, is it?
My mother showed me.
Okay, interesting. Next time I share with you. Okay. Now it is 0 zing to 1 to 3. Are you practicing your numbering or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Don't continue, please. 6, 1. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Now, if you gave the answer plus minus 1, I accept. What does that mean? Yeah. What does it mean plus minus 1? Meaning 1 to 2 is okay, 1 to 3 is okay, and 1 to 4 is okay. But not 50 degrees, of course. That is strange behavior. Please check your protractor. Make sure 0 is there. Next one. Very badly done lah. Very, ayo. I don't know what is this, you guys. First step to do angles question is NO what?
Tate.
Write it down. Yes, Anik. Very good. The first step is not to solve, you know. The first step is to what? You don't annotate, cannot solve. Annotate 2 things. What are the 2 things? See, you all don't remember. The figure, yes. What are the 2 things? Okay, 90 degrees. Angles, basically annotate angles and lengths. Any angles that is the same, what you annotate. Parallel lines, obviously, okay, because you get the same angles there. And then any lengths, go and annotate, okay? And the second step is to solve. What is this? Okay. Now, what is the shape here, Mr. Dylan? What shape is this? It's a square. All sides are what? Go and do this first. And what else? What else? 90. 90. What type of triangle is this? Huh?
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Well, yes. Well, they have actually cut the 90 into 2 equal parts. We'll cut it right smack in the middle. So what do you think this and this is?
45.
45. Go and annotate 45 here. What is this?
45.
45. 45 here. Over here? 45. What else do we annotate? Do you see what shape there on the right side? What shape is that?
Rectangle.
Do not solve yet. Just annotate first.
90.
90. Yes.
Please.
Are you guys okay? Very good. Find angle what here?
DBE.
Here. Can you see that? Now, to find this actually is so straightforward. Once you annotated everything, you can see that it's just 360 minus this, minus this, minus this. Am I right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so let's try and do that. Angle DBE. 360 minus 90 minus 62 and minus one more, which is 45. Okay, you do it step by step. Yeah, do step by step. Yes, we do step by step, right? 360 minus 90 is what? One of y'all go and put 370. Gosh, man. 270 minus 62 minus. Again, do this now. What is 270 minus 62? Come on. No calculators allowed for this. Some of you whacking your calculators for this. Don't. You gotta practice. 200
208.
minus.
108.
Answer is 163. Some of you do everything correct. At the end, you put 153. Or at the end, you put 173. Or 63. Aiyo. Don't lah. You do everything correctly. Make sure you calculate properly. Wait. I cannot give the marks. You know why? This question itself is only 1 mark. This one is another 1 mark. Okay, so that's it. Final answer for this 163. Can I move on to the next question, guys? Read the question first. Number 7. Read it now. Are you guys okay? How many of you, honestly, you feel that, you could have actually put in more efforts for this test and done way better?
Me.
How many of you is actually due to the holidays, that's why you didn't really form?
I went overseas.
Okay, I understand. Where do you go, Anik?
Umrah.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm bald.
Yeah, I understand. How's the experience? Nice.
Yeah, but I fell down. I hit my head.
Oh my, sorry for that.
Because I was playing actually. I was jumping around my cousin.
Why would you do that?
Because I was too hyper.
Okay, never mind, it's okay. Learn from it lah. Okay, anyways, question 7. Read on. What is the length of the what base? I have the height of this water. What is the height? Or the depth?
20 cm.
Guys, the word depth also means what? Height. Write this down somewhere. The word depth means what? Height.
Height.
Okay, it's like the fish tank. Remember last 2 weeks I showed you all the best fish tank in the world?
You
Huh?
mean the
Yeah.
but
Okay. Ilhan, I don't know why yours is like the rest of them, they are okay, but like I said, you try and exit and coming in. Okay, maybe that will help you. Is that okay? Try your best, Ilhan. Ashraf, Anik, and Ansar, give me a thumbs up if it's okay so far. In terms of the Wi-Fi connection and all, you're okay? All right, man. Thanks for the thumbs up, lah. Appreciate. By the way, that fish tank, I don't know where is it really, lah. It's gone. What? Yay! It's my valuable fish.
yay.
Yeah, never mind. We put a fish here instead.
What?
This is the most friendly fish that you see ever in your life. All right, let's go.
What's his name?
What the heck?
Yeah.
What's the name of this fish? Any idea?
Fish tank.
The name of the fish is fish tank. Very nice.
Yes.
The Great Destroyer of Planet Earth.
What? Before your book?
This.
I know. I know what's the name. Volume.
Volume. What a name? Volume. Larry the fish.
Bob
Bob the fish.
No, Bob is already my imaginary friend's name.
Okay, anyways. Bob the fish is inside this tank. And Bob the fish.
Is he alive?
Is he alive? I hope so, lah. It doesn't seem to be moving, eh?
First.
Is it moving? It's like. Anyways, the depth of this water is 20 cm and the amount of water here is 1620. What do you think you have to do first? By 20.
20 divided by 20.
Guys, some of you did this. I show you all. Don't worry, I will not mention names. You take 1620 divided by 20 and you get 820. Why you tell everybody? 1620 divided by 20 and you get 84.
What?
Cancel. 162 divided by 2, what would that be? 81. 81. 60 divided by 2 is 8. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 81. Okay, anyways, why do we divide? To find the what area at the bottom?
The square base area.
Okay, now I want you all to write this down so that Bob the fish can continue swimming. Base area, write it down.
It looks like a fish, not a fish. What? The fish is a skin.
Volume divide by height of this tank or water. What is the volume of water inside here? 1620 divided by 20. This is a very simple calculation you can do by cancelling the what? Zero. And then
Zero.
do your mental sums. No calculators are allowed, so you gotta use your mental sum. 81 cm what? Square. Okay, now friends, listen into this, okay? Now, I just want you all to write these formulas down. What is the volume of any cuboid always? What times what times what? What times what times what? Just give it all.
Length times breadth times height.
Good job. Length times breadth times.
Height.
Write this down at the top. Or alternatively, you can also write this down, okay? Come. You can say that volume is base area times what? Height. Also can. Understand? Understand not so far, friends? Okay, very good. These two are both acceptable for any cuboid. You know, even for cube, we can use this also for cube. Now, do you know why this formula is like that according to this? Do you know why I'm doing this? To find the base area, you must take volume divide by. You have to work backwards. That's why we divide. Understand? So what is the area of the square at the bottom? Square base. What is the area you just found? 81. There's one of you who did this. 81 divided by 2, you get 40.5. That would be the length of the square. Correct or not? What is the area of a square? What times what? Itself times itself. Nice explanation there. Why did Omar say itself by its times itself? Because all equal, what? And when you take itself times itself, you must get what? 80? What?
Bob.
You must get Bob. What times what is 81? Answer for this question is 9. Are you all okay? Boleh faham tak? Or alternatively, you can do this thing called a square root of 81 if you understand this concept. It's also 9. Yes. Yeah. 9 is a word in Germany. Yeah. Wow, I didn't know that. Okay, later we can search during the break time. Are you all okay? So let's get Bob, the fish, to swim a little bit.
He's longer, he can probably live on land without any air.
What?
Oh my gosh, went up.
Some legs. Bob, John,
Bob is there now.
Bob, some legs. Justice for Bob.
Some legs.
Yeah.
Some legs for Bob.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Bob is out of the fish tank, but he's still moving. But okay, now next one. Wow. I will never forget the name Bob the fish, man. Let's go. Skinwalker.
What's a skinwalker?
Bob the Skinwalker. Okay, now anyways. Shocking, you guys. Shocking. What must you do here first? What? What must you do here first? Do what first? Minus, plus, times, divide. Order of operations, primary 5, you all learn.
Divide or times?
Divide or times. 36 divided by 3, what would that be?
6.
6.
12.
I know you like the number 6 lah. I know, because after 6 is what?
No, I don't like it.
Okay, now. I also don't like, actually. High five, we both don't like it. Bam. Now, 12p minus 8 plus what's 5 times 3? You think? Mr. Omar, you cannot think, must straight away right. 15p. My friend, this is where many of you missed the algebra. Not many, some of you, I would say. You missed algebra class with me, right? November, December, we had algebra class, we had angles class, we had what? Volume class, okay? What two families are there here? Listen into this. What are the two families here? Ashraf, you unmuted yourself. You want to say something?
Alphabet
P,
and
yes.
number.
Good. There's a P family. All right. There is this P family here. Alphabet, yes, Ilhan. And there's also one more family. What family is that? Number
X.
X. Where's the X?
Oh, X is not part of algebra.
No. That's times.
Oh.
Now, same family, you try and combine. Try and what? Try your best, guys. Don't worry, there'll be a break coming up soon. 20 take away 8. What happens?
20 minus 8,
Nice. Come on. Those
12.
on the back, come on. 20
12.
take away 8.
12.
12.
12.
Oh, what's that for, man? 12. Take away 12p from 15p. What happens?
12 minus 15 IDK. Oh, minus 15. Oh, wait, how to 12 minus 15?
Again, listen. You guys didn't listen to me. What I'm saying is, take away 12p from 15.
Oh,
Do
3.
that sum in your mind, can or not? Take away. Why do I say take away 12?
3.
Because there's a minus, there's a minus sign here, right? Meaning you have to take away the 12p from 15. What happens when you take away 12p from 15?
3.
Comes what? 3. Answer is 12,
3P.
12 plus another 3.
Black.
Or alternatively, you can say 3p plus another 12. You're safe to do this also. So you're just adding, you're just adding. Can you say, oh, there's a student who did all the way and he said answer is 15p. Can you say that?
What?
Can you combine different families? Cannot. Leave your answer like that or like that, it's okay. Full marks for you all. Mr. Shaiman, you okay? Damai Primary School, let's go. Anazi, okay? Let's move on, friends, to the next question. Oh my gosh, this was like... So, I don't know, it's so badly done, this one.
It's easy.
It's very hard.
Oh, it's hard. 1 minute, go and do this together with your friends, or Amar, you can turn and discuss with your two friends at the back. Turn. Amar, turn and talk to your friends there. Those in class, 1 minute, you have a table partner, all of you. Talk to your table partners. Sabrina, Afia, come on. Sabrina, Afia, come on, discuss. 2 minutes, go and find out how to do this question. How to find the gaps. Write down your steps.
No. He's asking you when you say stop with the playing.
So, the ones and the module is what's the weight. I don't see a small
One minute left on the clock. Amar, talk to your friends. Amar, Omar, Afif, talk. Take the lead, come on, discuss. Hanazi and Adilia, talk to your friends, please, both of you. Hamza and Adam, discuss. Dylan and Shaiman, come on. What is it? Sharifa? No, let's discuss. Both of you. 30 seconds, yes? You're okay, friends? Huh? No okay. Ready? Steady?
What?
What?
Water?
How many liters?
1 liter.
How many liters is that?
What?
Are you guys okay? Now, next easiest one is this one, I would say. Right? 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2000 liters, 2000 ml, divide by 5, you get 1 gap. Correct or not?
100.
You can do 2000, this will be 400 ml. And then you take 400 ml times what?
3.
Which is what? 1 4 times 3. Come on, this is mental sums.
3. 3.
1200 ml here. Last one is what?
6.
1000 ml. And then what about this one? 600 divided by, oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, how many divisions are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 1. How many divisions are there in total? 10. Guys, 10 units is 600 ml. How do I find one? Huh? 60. What would that be, guys? Quickly. 60 liters. 60 ml, sorry. Now, this is actually, you can take 60 times 4 or times 8, sorry. Or you can just take it times 2 first. Times what? 120 ml. You take 600 minus away this. Understand what I'm doing? Anyways, you can just find 8 units. What's 8 units? Come on. 8 units. 60 times 8. What would that be,
60
guys?
times 8. 80. 480.
What do we do to all of these three
But
values?
plus everything. Plus everything.
Yes. Plus everything.
Equals 2.68 liters.
Yes, good.
Or 2680 ml.
Plus 480 ml. What would this be, guys? 2680 ml divided by 1000. What happens? Nowadays, for PSLE, they will give you the units here very clearly. So make sure you focus on this. If this was ML, the answer would have been what? Last question, then we go for break. Come. Guys. I don't know where's Bob, man.
What's
Huh?
Bob?
No idea, man. Where is he? Bomba what?
R.I.P. Bob.
Bob ran away. He turned into a different animal.
And away.
Yeah. He decided to become an outlaw.
Interesting. Okay, up. My friends, move on to question 10 now. Then we go for break after this, okay?
Since when does Bob have legs?
Bob is a skinwalker. You didn't know?
What?
Next.
What is What? Axolotl.
Axolotl. Why does Bob look like a bunny? Why does she have
What is fish? What is fish?
Bob, what happened to you?
Peace. Peace.
Okay. Anyways, move on to question 10. Later break time, we can do some of these things. Come. Ashraf asking just now whether got Kahoot or not. Later, I think not today, maybe next week. Okay. We do Kahoot once in 2 or 3 weeks, like around there. Okay, let's see. Guys, question 10. The figure is made out of 2 rectangles. CD, the whole thing here is 156. Find the value of angle what? Find what? Okay, first step, go and annotate the 90s first. Annotate the what? 90, go and put 90. 90, 90, come on. Quickly. Shh. First step, 156. Take away 90. You basically will get the value of 80 minus P. Okay, hang on. First step, angle CDB. 156 minus 90, what would that be? 66. So this angle right here will be 60 what? Write it down somewhere. So what is the value of 80 take away P? It is what? 80 minus P is actually 66. What do you think P is? 80 minus what is 66? It's like primary one. Guys, put a blank for yourself. 80 minus what is 66?
80 minus 66.
Yes. What's the angle of P equals to? Final answer. 14. Guys, you are not here just to copy the answer. Please understand. Annotate the 90s first. You minus off, get 66. And then you get the 80 minus P to 66. You can get P already. Very simply like that. Are you all okay so far? What in the...
What in the book?
What the... Okay, guys, you want a break for a while?
Sure.
Go. Take a break. 7 minutes off. Go. Relax. 7 minutes. Oh, okay.
You just throw the table and check.
It's a small
Oh.
coach.
Y'all know the same school, yeah.
They made me like level 1 to level 7. Do you think smaller?
Just to make sure you go through 6, 7.
I miss left.
Oh my. Okay. Question 11, guys. My friends, let's begin. Miss Alice, okay? Your teacher, okay? Math teacher. It's nice, man. Ida had a cubic block of wood with a volume of 7 to 9. She painted all of the faces red. So she had a block. She had a what? A block.
Normal fish tank, don't look at
I don't have fish tank. Where is the fish tank? Okay, hang on. I'll try and take my legendary fish tank that Bob lived in.
She wanted to make Bob.
Wait. I'll show you that.
Okay, wait. If boss turned into a villain, we know why he turned into a villain. He got punched so badly that he had a villain arc. No. I see why Bob is a sleepwalker now, because a regular fish cannot survive that. You can tell me why God allowed this to happen. It's going to be looking like watch the scene like 10 times. Without fish more. Oh, that's what. That's even more than the last one. What is that? The fish living there. The fish can literally jump out of that thing. Can I be a fish?
This is Bob the fish tank.
No, it's not. No.
And you are,
It's like you just went dumpster diving.
guys, you are painting all of these red colors, okay?
Dumpster diving.
Now, I showed this because I want you all to imagine the corner cubes here. Look at this bottom corner here. This cube that you cut, right? How many faces will be painted at the corner? At the corner? 3, yes. Can you see that?
Yes.
Where are the other 3 faces?
Inside. Inside.
Inside. You can't see it, but it's inside. Here. Is it okay? It's inside. Okay, with the drawing, I hope you all can imagine. So what Ida is doing is that she's painting all of the outside. Oh, what color? What color? Red. And then after she painted, what will she do? Cut the smaller cubes. Okay, small cubes. Now, how many of these cubes have actually 2 of the faces what? Painted red. Where are these cubes with 2 faces painted? Where is it? Middle here.
On the line there.
On the line. Very nice explanation. Except the what?
Corner.
Except the corners. Understand not? Because if you have a cube right here, look at this. Right, there will be a top face. The sides will be inside. Correct or not? Am I right? So 2 of this one and this one will be what? It will be painted if you're cutting the cube like that. The insides obviously will not be painted. So I need to know what is the length of the cube first step. The volume of this cube is 729. How do I find the length? Some of you think, Coach, 729 divided by 3. How do you find the volume of cube? Let's reverse engineer. Let's work backwards. Volume of cube, what times what times what? 9 times 9 times 9? Correct. But I was asking, like, what's the formula for volume of cube? What times what times what?
Length times length.
Length times breadth times height. So you must work backwards and ask yourself, okay, what times what times what will be 729? You got to play with the calculator a little bit. Okay, this one you can use calculator, no problem. Section C. What? Is it 10 times 10 times 10? Press calculator, all of you go and press. Come. Friends at home, come on. 7. I don't think it's 7.
Yeah, 9. Guys, he's finally gone. The ball. Swashman is finally gone. 7 to 9. Start with the 10. My cousin bought 3 times 10.
Plus 6.
Oh, we're having an 8 o'clock.
Oh,
What is it? Yeah.
plus 1.
Yeah.
What? Scribbling in the exact point.
9, 9, 9.
Police.
Understand? So, what is the value of this length here? This one is what? This one is what? Guys, Aida is doing what to this block again? She's what? Chopping it off, okay? Now, so that she gets a lot of blocks actually. So over here itself, she will get 9 blocks, correct? Over here,
I'm aging very bad.
9. Sorry, Ashraf. Ashraf, your mic is a bit like it's a bit muffly kind of. So you need to speak closer to the mic so I can hear you nice and clear, okay? Can you try and speak closer a little bit? Let me see your chat. Wait, Anik, please don't type that thing. What is that thing?
It's the name.
When no, mom?
What is that? He's copying his own language.
So I've used the chat box meanwhile. Use the chat box. If you have any queries, use the chat box.
Okay.
Guys, how many of these cubes have 2 faces painted? Over here, it is not 9. It is 9 minus. Why do I take 9 minus 2?
Because there's 2 corners on the
Yeah. The corners, am I interested in the corners? Because the corners have how many faces painted? 3. So 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. What would that be? 7. So over here, you will have 7 cubes. Understand? No? Over here also what?
12, 7.
7. How many of these edges is there? Go and count. You need to count how many of these edges is there. Those of you at home, focus please. Don't use the chat box unnecessarily unless you have a question, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges actually. That's 12 edges. To box fish tank. 7 times 12. Final answer is what?
Wow.
84. Now, if I were to change the question, or I put a part B, and I ask y'all, how many cubes have 3 faces painted? What will your answer be? Think about it. How many cubes have 3 faces painted?
The corners.
The corners. How many corners are there? 24 corners. Are you sure? Count the corners.
8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
Tight. What was that for, man?
8, 8, 8, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
8.
8.
Question 12.
8.
Question 12. Yeah,
I'm not that good. You.
yes.
You everyone.
Yeah. Yes, Omar. Ashraf, your neighbor. What? Omar, you say Ashraf is your neighbor. Okay, I'll show you his face there. Where you stay? Where you stay, by the way? Where you stay? Tampines.
I'm done.
Grandmother is grandmother if where
How you know his grandparents? Where his grandparents living? No lah, because he's staying in the same block with me lah. Omar, yeah, Omar is here. Oh, you know Omar also, yes. Come, Omar, show your face. See whether it's the same person or not. Because there's quite a number of Omar. By the way, Omar, he knows your grandparents, Ashraf. Say hello to Omar who knows your grandparents here.
Hi.
There?
Hello.
Okay. Oh, you mean you interact with him also sometimes?
Where I live.
Same house? Oh, neighbor. I see, understand. Guys, nice to know. Oh, you very sharp. Good job. Okay. Mister, yes, Adina. What is something? Is it relevant to Bob the fish or the fish tank or what? No?
So, you want to know what the worst feeling in the world?
What?
When the nicest teacher scolds you.
Oh my.
Yes. Yes. That confused.
Sorry that I have to do that to you.
No, it's not you. Other people. My other teacher. I'm saying because I
Good
did
job.
my school currently. You're not in my school. You work in my school.
Okay, come. Question 12.
Special treatment from now onwards.
Hey guys, are you okay with this? Very good. A tank measuring 130 by 90 by 60 was 2 feet filled with water. How much water is needed to fill the tank completely? Wow, such a bombastic question. Now, how much water is needed to fill the tank? 1 whole minus 2 fifths first. Come. What is this going to be? 3 fifths. Now, you need another 3 fifths to be filled. Am I right? So what do? You take 3 fifths times length times breadth times height. Press calculator quickly. What am I doing actually? I'm trying to see how much water is needed. Understand not? Yes?
4, 2, 1.
Can. You can find the total divided by 5 times 3.
4, 2,
Can.
1.
How many of you use unitary method? You say like, okay, the whole thing is 5 units. Right? You find the whole thing first, that's 5 units. Then you find 1 unit, then find 3 units.
I
What?
think. I don't know.
Can. That's fine.
That's it, man.
What's the answer with 4, 2?
4, 2, 1, 2.
Very loud.
CM what? Guys, I need to speed up, otherwise no time to finish. Okay, come on. Now, 4, 2, 1.
So have 1, 2, 3 English W.
Coach, I'm very laggy.
W was and it was
Why
covered.
is it echoing?
You don't write the labels, no, but
Talking.
Who's that calling me a W?
Who's
Okay, come,
talking?
me. Okay, now tab P and Q will turn on at the same time. Water flowed out of tab Q at the rate of this, and it took 65 minutes to fill the tank completely. How much water was flowing out of tab P per minute? Simple question. But I think only one student in the entire master math that I've marked for P6 got this correct.
What? We got a
Check for part B. Part B, but part A, okay, yes, I understand. Part B. It's not this class, it's another class. I don't know whether I
didn't even answer this question.
Oh my gosh, Sharina. Okay, guys, anyways, how many tabs are being on to try and fill up the tank? How many tabs? Friends at home, participate, come on. How many tabs are being on? Quickly.
2.
2 tabs, P and
Q.
Q. What is the function for tab P? P is trying to do what?
Fill the
Fill the tank up. So that Bob can swim.
Yes, correct. P is trying to fill the tank up, huh? What about Q?
Drain the tank.
Trying to remove the water, okay? Now, how many minutes did it take to fill up the tank completely?
65.
65 minutes, huh? Okay, can.
Bob also in this tank.
Now, perhaps.
It's deeply influenced to the tap you.
Oh my gosh. And the head gets stuck. How? Okay, guys.
Oh, I check. See, what is this?
In 65 minutes, how much water is going into the tank? How much more water do you need?
No, 780 times 55. 780.
No. In 65 minutes, how much water is going inside? Is there in part A the answer? How much more water do you need to fill up the tank? Part A we answered just now. Part A we answered. What is that? 4, 2? So in that 65 minutes, you need to put in this much of water. Make sense? Make sense? One more time. You take another 65 minutes to push in this much of water because you are trying to make the tank full, right? Correct or not? Okay, so basically this is 421 200 cm what? Are you all okay so far? And in 1 minute, how much water is going in?
15.
Divide by? Press calculator quickly. Double up.
What?
6480.
64.
80.
Yeah, thanks. Nice. Rough. 480. Okay. In 1 minute, this much of water is what? Is going inside the tank. Are you all okay? That's not the final answer. That's why. But your step is there, so I give you the 1 mark. Okay? Are you guys okay?
No.
Me too. Guys, every minute that both taps are on, how much water is going in? Hanazi. Okay, every minute both taps are on, this much of water is going inside. But remember this, there is one tap that is draining away water. Which tap is that? So how to find tap? Piece rate. One more step. Are you sure minus? Okay, let's say it's minus, which is wrong. Okay, but let's say it's minus. How do you check our answer? I'll teach you all the way. Now, all of you take 6480 and minus 780. See what happens. What do you get? Quickly, help me out with the calculator. Quick, quick, quick.
5700.
Huh?
5700.
Okay, so if you minus, you will get 570 cm cube going into the tank every what? So basically, wait, hang on, don't need to copy yet, relax. 5700 cm cube. This guy is taking away how much water per minute? Correct or not? Now, I thought you all say 1 minute, how much must go in? How much must go in per minute? Now, if this tap is pushing in water, 5700, and this one taking away 780, do you think you can get 6480 every minute? What is 5700 take away 780? Every minute, less than 5,000 will go in. So how do I find that P? Anyone can tell me? It's actually a plus 6480 plus what? I will show you how to check your work. I will show you how to check. 72 what?
0.
Yes. Sure, thanks. Now, how to check? Every minute, how much of water must go in again every minute? How much water? Guys, how much water must go in every minute? Quickly. Is there? 6480. Okay, see now we are saying tap P is pushing water how much in? There's another tap that's taking away some water. Okay, now let's go back here. Tap P pushing in how much again? 7260. Tap Q is taking away how much water? Can you take this minus this for me? Do you get 6,400 and something? Go in, press calculator, take this minus this quickly. Press calculator for me, come. You get? There you go. That's why you must plus. Guys, put the asterisk, go back home, go and practice this question again. Is it okay or you want to move it up some more? Yeah, one more last question, come. Ano? Okay, go back to the last question, go Ano. Amar, you okay, Amar? Let's go, Amar. Okay. Can I move on? Yeah. I know who to give this already. My daughter. What? He loves this kind of thing. You might ask from her, yes. Ask from Anna, she's a sweet supplier today. Literally a sweet supplier. Okay, now, question 13. Nice, man. The figure below is not drawn to scale. You actually have a what shape here, guys? First one. Go and annotate first. Annotate means not just the 90s. I told you all, the length and the angle. The what? Length and angle. Proceed, please. Come on. There you go. Okay, angle is
Done with just now question.
hang on for one, please. Which one? The question is on that. Go and copy. Are you guys okay so far? Okay, very nice. What else must we annotate? The equi. Okay. Yeah. You're like sitting at the front of the cinema, like. Is it? Okay, now what else you have? Equilateral must you do? Put the what here? What's the angle there? 60. What is this? Come on, friends. What is that angle there? Okay, mark out properly. This one also what? Guys, if you just do this, you cannot solve. You have to mark out equilateral. Two things always. Angle and length. 60, 60, 60. What is this length, this length, this length? What are they? They are equal. Go and mark out lah. Mark out. Mark it out. And immediately you will see EAC is there. EAC. Can you see a what out triangle here? Starts with I. You got 150. How in the world did Coach Irfan get 150? Hamza, good job. 90 plus 60. And then how to find the small angle? 180 minus 150 divided by? How do I find EAC then? This is actually how many degrees here at the corner here, the whole thing? Guys, what is it? 40? 45. Can you find, I just told you how to find the isosceles, right? Correct or not? Can you find this small angle here? Can you solve? Yes, we can. Girls at the back, please focus. Anyways, my first step is to find angle B. BAE, write that down. Angle B, 180 minus 150 divided by 2. What would that be? Come on, that will give you this pink angle here at the corner. Pink angle at the corner. What is it equals to? 15 degrees. What is the pink angle again? 15. What is the value of angle EAC then, my friends? 55 or 45? 45, yes. Angle EAC, 45 minus what? And the nice answer will be there for you. What answer is this? Mr. Aris? Yes. Aris, let's go. Sure. Mr. Ashraf, you're able to follow these angles questions? Superb. Again, the problem with some of y'all, right, when you did this test, you did not annotate this length, this length. Then you never see the isosceles, you cannot do. Always spend time to annotate. Angle CEF is next. Angle what? CEF. Not so difficult. Can you see a Z right here, my friends?
Angle.
Can you see a Zangle?
Yes.
Yeah, they said that AG is parallel, right? This is a parallel line here and here. Are you able to see a Zangle, my friends? This is 45, this is 60. Isn't it the same as this? Only if they say it's parallel. I don't know how to solve. Yeah, I give you a hint, never mind. It's okay. How do I find this one? 45 plus, which is 105, which is the same as this. That's all. Are you all okay? Okay, go and find angle CEF, which is the same as angle what? ACE. Dylan, equals to what? 45 plus? Very good. Very good. Simon, what is it equals to at the end? 105. Simon, good job. Now my primary school, let's go. Monday start school already, guys, huh? Don't forget.
Yay.
Sorry?
Mom wants to go to JB today and go back tomorrow.
Oh
I'm
my.
like, no, I want to go JB. If you want me to go JB, you better bring my cousin.
Oh my. Next one. Circle the proper this what's ABC? Is it a trapezium or not? Huh? AB what? Now if you want this to be trapezium, these two angles must add up to what?
180.
Okay, this is 105 we just found just now. And this one is 15 plus 60, which is 105 plus 75. Eh?
180.
180.
180.
Wait, what?
Hang on. This one plus this one must also what?
180.
Okay, does it add up to 180? Go and check. Does it? This is 45, this is 15, there will be 60. 60 plus 60 is what?
180.
120 plus 90?
10.
No. So is this a trapezium? No. Okay, this is not a trapezium because this is not parallel to ABC. Are you guys okay so far? Anyways, there's a fast way to do it also. Look at this. Hey, hello. Look at this, guys. I teach you something. Look up. This one and this one, if you want it to be parallel, you must obey the Z rule, right? Can you see a Z here? This one must be equal. Is it the same? These two? Is this a Z? Is this equal to this? This is 45. This was 15. Are they equal? No. Can't use the Z rule here. Anik, why you spamming? You don't spam the thing again. Please try your best. Wow. Corrections done. Next week, bring your volume notes. Don't have to pass it to you all. If you're at home, if you don't have it, just do it on Foolscap for now because there's a new topic actually. For volume, we are already almost done also for volume. Just like 1 or 2 questions left.
Coach, not yet.
Yeah.
Not done with the last one.
That's what is it. Okay, guys. See you all again. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. See you, Ismail. Take care.
See?
Bye, Dylan. Bye, Vignesh. Bye, Delia. Bye, Adam. Afif, bye. Umar, bye. Amar, bye. Bye-bye. Hana.
Goodbye, I'm done.
Bye, Shaiman. Bye, Sharifah. See you again. Bye-bye. Take care.
Done.
Bye. All right, done. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Wait, have. How? How?